In 2025, the richest people online aren't the ones working 80-hour weeks. They're the ones who learned how to make the internet work for them. Today, I'll show you 5 proven ways you can do the same. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius to start. Let's start with freelancing. Imagine you're sitting in a coffee shop, laptop open, doing design work for a company in New York, while you're in Lagos, Nairobi, or London. Freelancing is simply selling your skills, whether it's writing, design, video editing, or coding, to people who need them. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are like marketplaces for your talent, and in 2025, remote work demand is only going up. Next, picture this. You post a 30-second video about your morning routine, and it gets 200,000 views. Brands start emailing you, offering hundreds, even thousands, for a single sponsored post. That's the power of TikTok in 2025. You can earn through sponsorships, affiliate links, and TikTok's own creator rewards. The trick: post content that either makes people laugh, teaches them something, or inspires them to take action, and do it consistently. Third, online tutoring. I once met a university student who taught English online for just 2 hours a day and made enough to pay his rent. If you're good at a subject, math, coding, even guitar, there's someone out there willing to pay to learn it. Websites like Preply and Cambly let you connect with students worldwide, and you can choose your own hours. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Imagine recommending a product you already use and love, and every time someone buys it, you get a commission. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It works best if you have a platform, a YouTube channel, blog, or even TikTok account. The key is authenticity. People can tell if you're just chasing sales versus actually helping them. Finally, YouTube automation. Think of it as running a TV channel without ever showing your face. You write scripts, record voiceovers, edit videos, or better yet, hire others to do it, and make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Once the system is set up, it runs almost on autopilot, bringing in income even while you sleep. So, which of these 5 will you start with? Will you be the freelancer in the coffee shop, the TikTok creator with a viral video, the tutor changing lives from your living room, the affiliate who earns while recommending products, or the faceless YouTuber running a mini media empire? Remember, here at Money Booked, we keep smart money moves simplified.